Me and Laser are gonna collab. Okay, upon much discussion, me and LaserKnight has decided to do a collaboration with each other. And what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna give him a prompt, he's gonna give me a prompt, I'll draw and ink my prompt, and he'll do likewise. And then we switch our papers, and then we color them. Sounds like fun. If that makes sense to you guys. If it does, great. We're gonna get started right away. Let's go. So LaserKnight's prompt for me was to draw a character wearing the sort of the the Robin Nightwing sort of eye mask, and they're giving it the really cool comic book white eye effect. And also he's wearing a trench coat. He is wearing whatever kind of pants I want, so that's cool. And he also carries a sword with short hair. So not too much to go on with, but I still had lots of fun coming up with this character. As you can see, he's sitting on a gargoyle, so that's cool. Anyways, I went on ahead to complete the pencil sketch rather than saying without you guys, so because I got lazy and I wanted to stop recording, I just wanted to draw by myself, so there it is. I incorporated all the aspects that Laser wanted from me, including the Robin eyes, his trench coat, and his tucked out shirt, as well as a sword. He's also sitting on a gargoyle, which is just a little extra touch I added. I like it, and also some Easter eggs. And yeah, now we're going to move on to inking. Let's go. Moving on to inking, this is as far as I'm going to go with this piece, so I really wanted to do a good job of it so Laser can have a really nice piece to color with, to have fun with. So I was careful when I did the inking, but when it came to the shadow on the clothing, I don't know, I just didn't know what to do, so it may look a little bit messy. And I added the edge black shadow because he's in moonlight and at night, so it will make sense for him to have some heavy shadows. I really like the shadow effect on his hair and make the hair look very nice and very sort of semi-realistic kind of thing. And didn't do too much shading with it because he's going to color it anyway, so don't go overboard with the shadows. And adding little bits of texture on the back wall, if you'll see later. And I also added a background city, which I really hurriedly just finished because I hate drawing background. So he can have fun coloring that. Laser, have fun with it. And yeah, I will see you guys when it comes to coloring his. Now that we're done, let's go to Laser's house.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're at Laser's house. I'm breaking into his house. Oh, shh.
Alright, I'm done. Oh, that was taking longer than I expected. Guess I'm just gonna see here.
What's up?
What the what? How'd you get in my house? How'd you get in here?
I have my ways.
What do you mean? This man just broke into my house? Wait, what?
Here's your merchandise.
My merch?
See, this is the LaserKnight himself. You hear me talk about him all the time, but there he is in person.
Exactly. You see, I got nothing to talk about because I'm trapped. You see this drawing right here? I'm gonna ruin it. You see that drawing over there? It's already ruined, so there's something to add on.
Okay, well, if
But
you're
Danny's gonna do his magic.
if you're gonna say that, I will make it better for you.
Exactly.
All right. Okay, we're gonna start. So before we start the coloring process of the piece he did for me, I just want to address that it looks very nice, and I really like his take on my request, which is a guy wearing a scary mask with teeth on it, with spiky hair and a fake hand. He also carries a chainsaw. Oh, I really like how he made the fake hand the chainsaw, and I think this is a very good horror character. And his take on the mask too is way different from mine. I also did a drawing of this character, which I will feature on my next video. And yeah, but overall, a very good character design. I will have fun coloring it. Thanks, Laser. So with this character, I decided to not go too colorful because he is a sinister character after all. So I'm gonna make him with some really grim colors. So starting off with skin, just normal skin colors, coloring in the shading and stuff like that, just normal everyday stuff. And when I get to the mask, it is a little bit hard because it is a metallic mask and it's got all those shapes because of the human face. So the lighting was tricky to get, but I think I got it with the really dark shadows and the really light highlights, making it a metal look. And the jacket is just a normal old brown jacket, so not much to look at there. Welcome to Frustration Break, episode 3. This is where I show off my dance skills.
This man is crazy.
He's
in my house. Please get him out of here.
Okay, so now his pants are normal pants. I'm not going to talk anymore about the pants. And I'm going to emphasize again, especially how I like the idea of the chainsaw being his actual hand. Still can't get over that idea. I don't know why I didn't think of that. And the background is just a red flooring, red carpet. Also could be a pool of blood. It's up to you to decide. And the wall, I just didn't even try. I just put some blood on it because I hate backgrounds, especially walls. And now we are complete this character. And LaserKnight is going to complete my character as well. So I'm just going to wait till he sends it to me, and then you guys get to see both of our creations. And that's it. Okay, we are officially completed our little collab. And I had a lot of fun designing his character as well as coloring his character, the character he drew for me. And thank you, LaserKnight, for collabing with me. It was a pleasure to work with you and to break into your house. So if you want to check out his coloring session of my character, go ahead, check out his channel. I will leave the link in the description. But until the next video, I will see you in the next video. Yeah, bye-bye.